Today we're coming at you from Saratoga Springs, and I'm here with John Roselli from a remote location just outside of Belmont Park, and we're here to talk about the Met Mile. The Met Mile is a very, very interesting race for two reasons, really. One is that it's the first time in the racing season in a race of this caliber that 3-year-olds meet older horses. Another aspect of the race that's very, very interesting is the inherent distance of it being run at a mile. It's a situation where you have sprinters stretching out and distance horses cutting back, and every once in a while you come up with a horse that just happens to love a mile and is bred for it. John, is there any particular horse that really suits at this distance today?
This year, I wouldn't say there are any heavy-duty milers in here. It's, looking at the history of the race, pretty evenly balanced between sprinters stretching out and route horses cutting back.
So if you put your thinking cap on, John, who's most likely to win this thing?
The two favorites are Smooth Air, who, as far as I can see, doesn't have a flaw. I mean, they're going to have to beat him. He is capable of stalking, he's capable of closing, he runs well on turf, dirt, rooting, sprinting. He's going to be a handful. He comes in here off a short layoff, but he's been sharp, and I really don't see any problems. He's got the 2-hole, he's going to get a good trip. It's just a matter of if he runs his race and punches it in, he'll be tough to beat. The other accomplished horse in here is Bribon, a French-bred horse. He has a reputation for not putting two good races back to back. Although, if you look a little closer, that comes more from the circumstances of the races than any mental flaw that the horse may have. He is a pace prompter. There's going to be plenty of pace in here. He should get an excellent setup.
So out of the rest of the field, who might rumble in at a long price, John?
There's another horse in here who I think is interesting, more of an exotics play, and that's Run for the Doe. This horse is a Group 1 winner from one of my favorite tracks in the world, which is Hippodromo Palermo in Buenos Aires. The horse was a Group 1 winner there. He's another horse who's a late blooming 4-year-old, rapidly improving.
Before you sign off, John, is there anybody else you want to make a case for?
You can make a case for a bunch of the others too. It's a well-matched field, but those are the ones I like. That's how I see the race setting up. Plenty of speed. I think a pace presser or a closer who can stay close early through what should be rapid fractions are going to be the ones who have the most impact here.